to address the gathering. Thank you.
Most respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, His Excellency the Prime Minister of Bhutan, the Governor, the Honorable Chief Minister, Union Cabinet Ministers, my colleagues on the dais, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. Ohumar গর্বিত রিয়াজ আপনা লোকে মোর শুভেচ্ছা গ্রহণ করিব। The proud people of Assam, please accept my good wishes and greetings. For me, it is a privilege to be here today addressing the Advantage Assam Summit. I would like to begin by heartily congratulating our visionary Prime Minister for two reasons. Firstly, Pradhan Mantri ji, your government has presented one of the best budgets in recent memory. It is an inspiring combination of ambition for economic growth and empathy for all our people, with concrete steps for farmers and for all our sisters and brothers in rural India. Secondly, Narendra Modi ji, you have pioneered a revolution of aspirations in India. All the people of India are now aspiring to a better quality of life. And as a result, every state in India is now competing to grow faster than the other. The spirit of Vibrant Gujarat, which you started in 2003, has traveled across India to every state. Today in Guwahati, I can see the same spirit has flowed all the way from River Sabarmati to River Brahmaputra in the form of the Advantage Assam Summit. Northeast has a very special place in your heart. In particular, Assam's all-around development is a priority for you. You have made all of us believe that Advantage Assam is Advantage India. Friends, Assam's development potential is aseen, limitless. In the early 50s, Assam was one of the most developed states in India. Its per capita income was higher than the national average. Assam now wants to surpass this past glory. I was highly impressed when I met Assam's young and dynamic Chief Minister and his team in Mumbai, and when he explained his growth and development strategy for Assam. I compliment the Chief Minister and his team for accelerating the state GDP growth at over 10% and for successfully hosting this largest ever investment summit in Assam. Dear friends, the Advantage Assam Summit is taking place at a very appropriate time. India is rising under the leadership of our popular Prime Minister, and I witnessed India's proud new global profile firsthand at the recent World Economic Forum at Davos. Many prominent world leaders came there, including the US President Trump. But our Honorable Prime Minister was given the honor of addressing the most important opening plenary session for the first time for the Indian Prime Minister. And he spoke like a true global statesman, and the Davos community gave him a standing ovation. This is recognition of his leadership and India's standing in the world under replication. At Davos, he presented the unique concept that global leaders and leaders across countries should focus on enabling the ease of living for citizens and not just the ease of doing business for companies. I think that the ease of living concept will be a trademark of Shri Narendra Modi, which will go from country to country all over the world. His Digital India mission aims at promoting the ease of living for 125 crore Indians. And this is also Jio's mission. Jio has built a world-class digital infrastructure and applications that deliver high-quality entertainment, education, healthcare, and government services to one and all. Gone are the days when the technological red carpet was rolled out only for big businesses. Jio will make it possible for small shopkeepers and small businesses to increase their productivity multifold and roll out the red carpet for them. My dear Assamese sisters and brothers, all of you know that Assam was a low priority market for most telecom operators because Assam is categorized as a category C circle in the telecom policy hierarchy. However, for us at Reliance, Assam is a category A state. In a short span of 2 years, Jio has brought state-of-the-art digital infrastructure and services to Assam, and this at par and simultaneously with the rest of India. Reliance has become the largest private sector investor in Assam by investing over 5,000 crores. Today, Jio has over 30 lakh satisfied users in Assam out of a population of 3 crores. The Jio phone, which is India's own free smartphone, has been adopted by over 2 lakh people in less than 2 months. In the next 18 months, Jio aims to benefit 1.5 crore users in Assam. The per capita data usage in Assam is among the highest in India. This means that the people of Assam have realized that data is the new oil. The new data economy has the potential to nearly double the rate of growth of the state GDP. I would like to sincerely thank the people of Assam for accepting and embracing Jio with their hearts. Dear friends, we at Reliance are determined to do more in Assam and more for Assam. Assam has a huge pool of educated youth, skilled artisans and hard-working farmers. If the young people of Assam are equipped with the right digital tools, they will deliver miracles. Jio is firmly committed to make Assam a miracle state. Therefore, today, I would like to make 5 specific commitments which Reliance will fulfill in the next 3 years. First, Reliance will invest an additional 2,500 crores. It will increase its retail outlets from 2 to 40 and increase its petrol pumps from 27 to 165. Second, Jio will open new offices in all the 155 Tehsil headquarters of Assam to provide 4G broadband connectivity that will help farmers, artisans, shopkeepers and small businesses. This is our commitment in making Assam truly digital. Third, creation of new livelihood opportunities is the most important need in Assam and all over India. And I am delighted to report that Jio has already created over 20,000 sustainable employment opportunities in Assam. On top of digital connectivity and with the rollout of our agri platform for farmers, our commerce and payment platforms for small shopkeepers, our education platform connecting all schools and colleges, and our healthcare platform connecting all hospitals, we will target to increase the sustainable livelihood opportunities fivefold to over 100,000 people for new employment. Friends, the travel and tourism industry in Assam can substantially boost employment, people's income and government's revenue. Personally, I am a nature lover and a wildlife enthusiast. Hence, my fourth commitment. Reliance Foundation will partner with the government of Assam to establish a center in a university to promote wildlife protection and ecotourism in a sustainable manner. Fifth, I cannot be in Assam and not talk about the passion of your state, football. The ISL has become a huge success in Assam, for which I have to thank all the people of Assam. The ISL will establish a top-class football academy in Assam in partnership with the state government to produce global champions. And in conclusion, as I have been coming to this city to pray at the Kamakhya temple, I have only one thing to seek in my prayers to Ma Kamakhya, the goddess of Shakti. May India become a Shaktisami nation under the leadership of Sri Narendra Modi ji, and may Assam become a Shaktisami state under the leadership of Sonowal ji. Thank you very much.